Hello everyone, I'm Oz, and in this video we will be looking into one of the paid market signals on 3commas called a Stoics trading tools. But let's do the fun, not so fun part first. So here goes the disclaimer. The content in this video is for informational purpose only. It's not a financial, legal or tax advice. This video is solely my opinions and I'm not a licensed financial or investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and risky, and I can't guarantee any particular outcome. Now let's get started with the video. Okay then. So this is something that I used during the last bull run or last bullish movement, which was somewhere around March. And in April, when everything went haywire, this was something that was turned out to be a disaster. The fella worked on it. It's made it better. You can see the returns, the great returns, and it also supporting. Previously, it's only USDT. Now it's supporting BTC pairs on Binance and Binance.us. It costs $30 a month. And I feel that it's from what I experience, it's a pretty nice one. Plus the fact that this is not like a company but one person, and it has a very customized feel to it. So this is the main page. You can look over here. Remember, not everything is going to get you profit. So some of the deals you have to sit on them, and there are a lot of reasons and factors to factor in when deciding on which one to go to. But you can see from here that it's not a lot of signals anymore. It's only four signals. So on an average, it's like 4 signals every day. Depending on the market condition, right? Yeah, on an average, see on this day it's giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 signals, which is not bad. Anyways, so it has, they do have some Medium. They do have, I think they do have a Discord as well that you can join and ask questions and stuff. So there are 2 settings available. One is with 2 DCA. That is 2 safety orders. One is with 1 safety orders, and the take profit ranges between 2 to 5% if you want to use the scalping signals. Okay, so let's look at the 2 and the 1. Okay, which one was 2? Yeah, we'll find out soon. Okay, so this is the one with 2 safety orders. You can look at the results, pretty damn good. Made about something. Okay, and then this is the one with BTC. This is USDT. So let's just look at the USDT one. So this one has 2 safety orders. This one has 1 max safety trade at 15%. And this 2 is at 7, and yeah. So let's copy, ignore, and let it load. Okay, ignore. Okay then. Bot loaded, and let's call it STOIC. Stoic. We add in the number later. So let's look at the pairs first. It has pretty much all the pairs, including the stable coins and the up tokens. Remove them or add them to your blacklist, bot blacklist. That's the first step you need to do. So basically you remove, oops, I removed BNB by mistake, but it's okay. You can always add it. Okay, let's see what, so this is 60 active deals. We bring it down to say 10. Base order, safety order, same size. I'm going to increase this to at least 15 and 15. Okay, we can go for 20, 20. Okay, then this is where your signal will be from Stoics. Take profit is at 5% fixed. Depending on the market conditions, you can always, I wouldn't say increase it, but you can always decrease it and have trailing on at 0.3. That's 10% of the take profit, or at 6. And then they've got two safety orders, 7% deviation, volume is double every time, step scale is double every time. So if you look at the table here, the first safety order is at 7 and the next one is at 21, which is pretty okay, pretty moderate in most conditions. Minimum volume is mentioned over here is 1. There are some shitcoins here, so I would recommend to have at least 50 minimum, because it doesn't have so many signals as compared to other signal providers. So that's why I'm keeping it low as 50. Simultaneously is 1, cooldown not required. So yeah, so this is out of the box, almost out of the box. I changed a few things, and we have a deviation of 21%. If you feel that you don't want like you just want one single DCA like how it did over here, so you simply go here, you say 1 at 15%. Okay, so now if you look at the chart, you just have 1 at 15%, and it's the same as the safety order here. So you have $1,000 and you want to invest in this pot with $1,000. You don't want to open too many deals. You want to stick to 10 deals. In fact, keeping in mind number of trades coming in, you want to stick to, let's say, 6 deals. But you say, okay, once you trust this bot, you're running it with $10, $20. You say, okay, I want to increase to 50 and this one to 50. So it brings you to 600. The reason being is that as compared to other bots, these signal settings, this one does not have, it only has one safety order, which is also at 15%. So you know that, oh, okay, I don't have to invest so much, and only at 15% I have to look at it. So now if you say, okay, I was like, how about this? Like I add in 2 and I'm getting a 45% deviation. If you look at the table, 15 and then 45, that's crazy. So what I do is I bring this down to 1.5 or maybe even 1.4 or 1.2, 1. Okay, so if I bring this down to 1, it gives me a deviation of 15 and 30. So I already covered my budget is, so even my funds are being locked here because of these settings. So either you can do this where you have 2 safety orders, you have a deviation of 30%, or you stick to the 2 at 7, which he initially did, which gives you 21, or you go with 1 at 15, where you just put in $600 and you keep about like somewhere about $300 you keep for rescuing the deals. So that's up to you, depending on how the market condition is, or whether you want, I want 4.4, somewhere in the middle, not 3.6, not 5, but 4.4. So that's also possible. Again, you can increase this. I think I really love this signals and he's really good, and you are getting 5 signals a day only, so might as well increase the value to this. So again, depending on how much money you have, depending on the market trend, depending how much you trust this signal, you tweak accordingly your take profits, your safety orders, and etc., and what coins are there. So you tweak the deal start condition for minimum price or daily volume. Okay, so that was an overview of Stoics. If you like this video, please do smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Oz Van Winkle, link in the description below, to buy me a drink, get me a meal, or book a Zoom call with me. Thank you.